Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS V3607V. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're struggling to access the BIOS on your ASUS V3607V to install Windows, you're not alone. This issue often arises when the system fails to recognize the correct key or if there's a hardware fault preventing access. If left unresolved, it can delay your setup and cause further complications down the line. To tackle this problem, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a spudger or plastic opening tool. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. To open the ASUS V3607V safely, start by flipping it over and locating the screws on the back panel. Carefully remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver, taking note of their sizes. Once the screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry open the back cover, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, locate the CMOS battery, which is often the culprit for BIOS access issues. Carefully disconnect it by gently pulling it out of its socket. If it appears corroded or damaged, replacing it is essential. When inserting a new battery, ensure it is securely in place. As you work, be cautious of nearby components, avoid touching them directly to prevent any damage. Once the replacement is done, reassemble the device by aligning the back cover and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After reassembly, power on the ASUS V3607V and attempt to access the BIOS again by pressing the appropriate key during startup. If successful, you should be able to proceed with your Windows installation. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your device's BIOS is updated regularly, and consider periodically checking the CMOS battery for optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.